Assalamu alaikum. I'm Mamuna Kosar and course Education Change and Development. My presentation topic is education and gender disparity. So first of all, I will discuss here outline of my presentation. What is education? What is gender disparity? Education and gender disparity. Gender roles in Pakistan. Women education in Pakistan. Barriers to girls education in Pakistan. Steps towards reduce gender disparity and conclusion. So first of all, I will discuss about education. Education is a gradual process which brings positive change in human life and behavior. Education is a basic human right. According to Article 26 in the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, everyone has the right to education. Education for all. Gender disparity. Gender inequality is the social process by which men and women are not treated as equals. The treatment may arise from distinctions regarding biology, psychology, cultural norm, and tradition. Education and gender disparity. Gender inequality in education is a persistent problem within society, especially for the girls belonging to economically weaker section of society. Gender equality are important in various dimensions. These include education, health, employment. Klessman Lemanian 2008. During the past several decades, there have been progression made in the achievement of universal enrollment of students in schools. Major factors that promote gender inequality in education are conditions of poverty, prevalence of traditional viewpoints, school infrastructure, discriminatory treatment among girls, criminal and violence act, child marriage, occupation of parents, education of parent, management of household responsibilities, and lack of interest in studies. Gender role in Pakistan. Pakistan ranked 151 out of 153 countries on the global gender gap. The report highlights that economic opportunities for women in Pakistan are limited, with the country only managing to bridge 32.7% of the gap between men and women in the workplace. Pakistan in world ranking 148 out of 149 countries in the Global Gender Gap Index 2018 report released by the World Economic Forum. Gender equality ranked. The World Economic Forum measured gender inequality in 149 countries with an index based on four criteria: economy, education, health, and politics. The Global Gender Gap Report 2018, published in Dawn December 19, 2018, and Pakistan ranking 148 out of 149 countries in the Global Gender Gap Index. Women education in Pakistan. Women education in Pakistan is a fundamental right of every female citizen according to Article 37 of the Constitution of Pakistan. But gender disparities still exist in the educational sector. In July 2018, stated in their manifesto that nearly 22.5 million children are out of school in Pakistan. Girls are particularly affected. 32% of primary school age girls are out of school in Pakistan compared to 21% of boys. By grade 6, 59% of girls are out of school versus 49% of boys. Only 13% of girls are still in school by ninth grade. Boys, both boys and girls are missing out of educational sectors, but girls are worst affected. Why girls are out of school? Reason why girls are out of school. First of all, girls are out of school because of poverty, child marriage, limited access to quality education, traditional practices and gender bias, child labor, son preference. These are the factors that girls are out of schools. Now, barriers to girls' education in Pakistan. Barriers, difficulties faced by girls, and what are the barriers to girls' education in Pakistan? Lack of enforcement of compulsory education, cultural norms restricting freedom of movement of girls and education, poverty, child marriage, sexual harassment, low education budget, quality concern in government school, shortage of government school, cultural preference for male children. These are the barriers because lack of enforcement of compulsory education is a big barrier. Cultural norms are so barriers. Poverty, child marriage, low education budget, quality concern, lack of quality concern, shortage of government schools, cultural preference for male children. Steps towards reduce gender disparity. What are steps? Spend more on education. Confront gender stereotyping by the popular and news media. Increase enforcement of existing law against gender based employment. Increase government funding of high quality daycare options to enable parents and especially mothers to work outside the home if those who desire, and to do so without fear that their finances of their children as well being will be compromised. Build more school and train more teacher. This is very important to train teacher. Support for training and employment programs, guidance and counseling program, and access to girls education. Conclusion: educating a boy is educating a person, or educating a girl is educating a nation. Educating women is the single most profitable investment in terms of well being of children, health, community welfare, and building long term success of developing countries issue. It is necessary to reduce gender inequality to provide education. Provision of equal job opportunities should be provided by public and private authorities. Thank you.